And we want to inform the general public that one of the most important ways for us to be able to manage and cope with the pandemic is ensuring that we are living healthy lives, eating better food, nutritious foods, and our indigenous foods, especially as Uganda, are some of the most nutritious foods that we have. So we want people to be aware of this and see how we include this on our diets. So you find that the market has been inclined on less and less staples at the expense. So when we don't consume, farmers don't produce. It's as simple as that. So we need to see how do we make markets, how do we change consumer behavior to see that we eat more of these. If we can really see how we can work on changing the mindset, changing the consumer patterns of the local people, then I think we'll make production of these better.
I say the limited research and development, specifically geared to our indigenous varieties, be it crops or animals. If you critically look, much of the funding in these particular areas in the research institutions is basically geared to these improved varieties. So less is given, or much attention is given to our for our indigenous crops or animals, specifically to that. So you realize it's basically the civil society organizations like Pelum that are taking lead in these aspects to see that, how much research can we do, to see that if we're given this specific amount of maybe in terms of funding, that research can be taken care of in this particular area, you realize that even these local varieties could even outperform these improved varieties.
When the soil is depleted, it doesn't matter the seed you put. Actually, hybrids need to be fed more. Oh, I don't know if you understand. If you want these crops that produce more, also need to feed more. Now we have a challenge where our soils are severely and heavily depleted and degraded. So that's why we're talking about agroecology, to see a more systematic approach of transforming these systems. How can we improve the fertility and the health of the soil using ecological and agroecological principles? And once that is done, then you can expect better yields.